Hi guys, I hope you're well. So in this video, I'm just going to do a quick one showing you how you can go about buying a Gala music node. And the reason being is Crypto, Hustlepedia from Crypto Banter, he was saying yesterday that they're selling for about $1,200, and he was saying that the music ones sold for that and they're worth $80,000 today. So to me, it makes sense to get in on this, seeing as I'm getting in early. We're being pioneers if you buy one of these. I dare say if you buy it, you'll reap the rewards. So this is the music node, you can see. Now, they also have other nodes. They've got the founders nodes. They're really, really exy at the moment. So the music ones are reasonably priced. And so in this video, I'll show you how you can go and buy one. So the first thing you have to do is sign up and create an account with app.gala.games. Now I'll put all the links below. I'll put my referral link to this below. And once you've signed up, then you need to go and buy some Gala. To get Gala, I have used FTX. So I'm finding that FTX is also the cheapest with sending anywhere. Like the fees, especially with ETH, are really low. Like it cost me $3 to send ETH to this platform. So yeah, definitely if you haven't got an FTX account, open one up and use that. So I actually bought some Gala on FTX as well. So because it's listed in their wallet, you can basically just deposit like a stable coin in here and then swap it for Gala, and then you can send Gala to the gaming platform, the Gala Games platform. Okay, so this here is their Gala node license, the founder's license. You can see how much that's worth, right? Gala is currently 34 cents, so you do the maths, but yeah. So the music one is still relatively cheap. So what I did, and this was a mistake, is that I sent ETH here, and you actually have to buy the music node. It's in Gala. So it's best to get the Gala on FTX and send the Gala to this platform. And the way you do that is you get your own Gala address and you click that. Press get Gala, and that gives you your address to send to. So then once you've got Gala in here, then you can go and buy the node. Okay. Now I did it wrong. I sent ETH, so I don't recommend you do that. But yeah, you click buy now, and then this will come up, and then when you have this amount in here, you can buy the node. So I'm just going to have to do an internal transfer now of ETH to Gala. So I'll just pause this. Actually, I'm not sure I can do an internal transfer, so I'll just show you guys there's different ways to get Gala, and that's through all these brokers. I noticed they haven't mentioned FTX, but so yeah, up to you guys to whatever broker you want to use. I'm just saying with FTX so far, yeah, the fees have been really minimal, and it's instantaneous. So if you have any of these, then you can use those as well. And I was just curious to see what the Gala Games node is worth while I'm here, and to show you. Yeah, see, it's a lot now. So very bullish now on this music node. So what I'm going to have to do, I think, is send my ETH back to FTX and then swap it for Gala and send the Gala, because I don't want to risk not being able to do an internal transfer. So I will do that first. Okay, well that was rather convoluted. I had to send my ETH to FTX and then convert it to Gala and then send the Gala back to this platform. But I've done it now. So yeah, don't do what I did. Okay, so now I am going to buy this, player node license? Yeah, music player node license. Awesome. Yeah, because Hustle was saying on Crypto Banter that Snoop Dogg is already on board with this. So because what's happening is with artists, they're actually earning way more money now doing it this way than they have ever done previously in their career. Someone else was saying that he made more in NFTs this year and through crypto than he ever did in his entire career. So why wouldn't every artist be jumping on board this, is my question. Okay, so I'm going to place the order. Let's see what happens. So 3,500 Gala is worth, because Gala is worth about 34 cents today. So that is worth, well, you do the maths, 34 cents times by 3,500 Gala. Let's do this. Place order. Oh, why is it doing that again? I'll have to do it again. Place order. You need ETH to make this purchase. Okay, so here's where I stuffed up, because it looks like we have to pay transaction fees in ETH. So what I did was thinking I needed ETH to make the purchase, that the whole entire amount would have to be in ETH. So it looks like we just need ETH for the fees to make the purchase. Okay, I'm going to have to send some ETH. So I may as well show you how to do that. So you go to receive funds, copy address, and that's your ETH address that you send. You need the ETH to cover the fees. So I'll do that now. So while I'm waiting for my ETH to arrive, it shouldn't be too long. These are the games that they are doing that are either in development or beta. And I have to say, these guys are just so onto it. They've got like so many games going. And I did a video on Townstar and previously how I was earning money on it. How to earn money on it. However, I didn't end up following through because to play Townstar, you need to get land that's close to a city to make it worth it. And what happened was I got land that was too far from the city. So after setting everything up to run beautifully, I then at the end found out that that's what I needed. So I basically spent a whole day learning how to play this and setting my town up to be profitable, only to find that out at the very end and therefore having wasted my time. However, if I can share my failings with you guys, then at least that was worth something. So don't play Townstar without at first at least having a town close to a capital city. That's not worth it otherwise. So yeah, that was actually good to play though. So I mean, these are all, I think they will all be play to earn games. So I think like obviously this play to earn is just going to be huge this year and the next coming years if Axie Infinity was anything to go by. So these guys are just onto it with developing all these different kinds of games. So I'm very, very bullish on Gala. And yeah, let's get to buying this node. The ETH should have arrived by now, so let's get to it. Okay, the ETH has arrived. So this is, are you kidding me? I actually just checked the inventory and it says it has ETH in there. So what's going on here? Oh God. Okay, well it's good that I'm recording this, so if you guys experience this, you know what to do. Yeah, so I just checked the sending fee. The ETH is worth, and this is how you can find out because CoinMarketCap has a converter calculator. This is how I do my calculations. So that is worth about $11 US. So I have that in there, so I should be able to buy this. Maybe because I don't have enough Gala. Let me check. I definitely have enough Gala, so let's go ahead and get this. Now, this is just doing my head in. Why is it saying this? Receive ETH funds. What, I can't place the order even though I have Gala and ETH? Oh man. I do feel it is prudent before I do hit the buy button as well to share what is a node, because they have asked you to read this before you press buy. So a node license is not an investment, nor is running some kind of miracle money machine. If you're considering purchasing a node license with these expectations, we at Gala Games urge you to reconsider. A Gala Games node is many things, but an investment is not one of them. And also, I want to give my disclaimer that I'm not giving investment advice. So just what I'm doing. A node is a contribution in the same way that a crowdfund provides crucial financial support. Purchases of node licenses are helping to fund the bright future of the Gala Games ecosystem. And it's a commitment for years to come, not only to receive rewards, but to play an important role in the governance and directions of the company. A node is a responsibility. Nodes require care, maintenance, and attention. They must be run according to the terms provided by the company in order to earn the rewards offered, and so on. So you can read this article yourself. It's really good. But yeah, obviously I believe in Gala Games a lot. So here goes. I'm investing in the future of Gala. And this is not an investment. So let's go. But it doesn't look like I can. So we're at a standstill. Yeah, so it's really weird because I do have the required amount of Gala and ETH and more than enough, but am unable to place the order. So this keeps popping up. So I think this is an issue with their website. So I've contacted them on Telegram, and I'm going to follow them up on Discord as well, because yeah, obviously you can't buy it, but I'm going to finish this video and post it anyway, because this is obviously what you need to do. So I'll let you guys know once they get back to me if they've fixed the bug, because I dare say this is the bug on their website, that you can't actually purchase it. So yeah, I'll let you guys know, but that is the process of how you go about buying a node. Cheers, and thanks for watching.